guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so y'all, today we're about to do a little organizing. I went grocery shopping, so let me show y'all this. Got all this and stuff behind me. Alright, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to clean out the fridge, and then we're gonna put stuff away. And then I'm probably gonna cook some chicken tonight. I think I wanna cook some stuffed chicken. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do stuffed chicken. Cause it was between stuffed chicken or pasta. And your girl wants some chicken. But let me just go ahead and tell y'all this. I am tired. I have been up since 6 o'clock and it is now 4:26. Literally just got back in the house. So I've been out all morning. So I'm trying to do this video for you guys and then lay down because my feet hurt. So right now, I'm about to, then I'm gonna show you guys my seasoning jars that I got. So we're gonna do that too. We're gonna organize the refrigerator and then do my spices. So yeah, let's go ahead. Everything out the fridge, we're about to wipe it down. And y'all, I am obsessed with this Everspring cleaning supplies from Target. I only got this one because it was on clearance, but I love their, what is it, lemon and mint smell. But this right here, baby, yeah. Okay, so the fridge, it is all cleaned out, wiped down. So I want to show you guys my little containers, organized containers. I got these, and this was cute, but I got these from TJ Maxx. I just realized I have a container store, so I'm gonna go to the container store tomorrow and probably grab some more. But these are what I'm going to use to help me organize my fridge, and I will show you guys how I do it. All right, so I have my container and I have my eggs. So let's go ahead and fill this up. I probably should have got a bigger one, only because I eat a lot of eggs. So I probably will go to the container store and grab more, being that all eggs are not going to fit in here because I did have some left over. And as you can see, I have 4 left over. So this is how it looks. It's so cute. So now I'm about to fill my fridge up with water. Ugh. So what's tea? What's going on with y'all? Let's see. For me, I have a wig review to do later this week. This hair company reached out to your girl, so I have that. What else? I have other stuff in store for you guys. I'm trying to be consistent. As you can see, your girl is posting every Friday at 2 o'clock. So if you haven't already, make sure you turn that post notification on so you know when I'm making a post or when I post something. What the? Anybody see your girl Rihanna? She is looking beautiful and pregnant. Like, I love me some Rihanna. I just need her to hurry up with this album. I know that much. Cause I'm trying to be bumping something this summer. Y'all, I be so ratchet. But it is what it is. Alright, y'all, so let me close the fridge for real. So I have bought these Sargentos. I got the Ritz kind. Can y'all see that? I got Ritz. And then my mama eat this. I don't eat this kind. And I'm going to put them in this container here. Just put these in the middle. Boom. So this is what it looks like. I'm definitely gonna need some more containers, and I'll probably go to the container store later today. I'm gonna just fill these up. There's the yogurt. and it looks like this. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and washed my sink out, and I put some hot water and a little bit of vinegar for my veggies. And I'm just let those sit and soak in there for a while, finishing up the fridge, and then we're just gonna tap these off. And then I have to do my fruits, because I also let my fruits, I wash my fruits also before I eat it. So let that sit and let's finish the fridge. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what my fridge looked like after I am done organizing it. And so we have my waters, we have my yogurts, my Sagentas, the eggs, fruits, which I probably want to get a container for these, like a little small container, because I do love my oranges. Strawberries already washed, and look at this, my cute little butter, which I showed you guys I think, and I also grabbed one for the onion. This is so cute that I ended up getting one for my banana, for my tomatoes, and for my avocados. When I open them, I can just put them in the fridge. Avocados, Brussels sprouts, apples. Your girl is gonna make some fresh apple juice, so that's why I have a lot of apples, because I love juicing. And of course down here, you know, cheese eats for a sandwich. Now that we're down the fridge, ooh, let me get this out the way, because y'all know we love to say some bags. All right, so now that I'm done the fridge, we're going to do the cabinet and the spices. And I ordered off of, what is it, Etsy, these spice jars that I'm about to show you guys. I ordered these spice jars that we're about to put the spices in. I will leave the link below so that you guys would like to purchase some if you want some. But this is what they look like. I'm gonna show you guys, they're so cute. Like, let me show you guys. This is what they look like. I got this size, and they're bamboo jars. This size, and I got the small size. So I wanted to show y'all the labels that I have, and I think it's like I want to say over 100 labels. I'm pretty sure it's over 100, but they have labels for everything. And so, and I have different sizes, because I also, like I said, I have this jar here, and then I have the little jar. So I have the big jar and the little jar. Alright you guys, now that I'm done, this is pretty much how my seasonings look. I do need to get a few more, and then I need to get some labels for my oatmeal. I got one for my pancake mix, and then of course I need to get some for my pasta and for rice. But this is pretty much how my cabinet look. And then these are the snacks, and of course all the sauces is back there. And I will get me a jar for cereals. So now that you've seen that, let's get ready to cook. Okay guys, now that I am done organizing my fridge and my cabinets, we are about to make stuffed chicken. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna wash my hands first. So let me do that. So I went ahead and I seasoned my chicken off camera, but the ingredients you will need for this meal is, okay, all right, so you will need some butter, garlic, cream cheese, whipped cream, seasonings. We got your parsley, and which is with Creole, whatever. You got the seasonings, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Can't forget some spinach. And then this is also Parmesan cheese, so I'm gonna use the rest of this also. All right, we're going to add butter, half a bag of spinach, garlic, and cook the spinach down. Okay, so I do want to use that garlic, so I need a cut board so that I can chop it up really fine. And cut up some garlic, because the garlic has to go in the pan with the spinach and butter. Ooh, take my time because I'm gonna cut my finger, y'all. Now that's done, we are going to put the spinach in there. Now, I do need to rinse off my spinach. I'm gonna grab a handful, rinse it off, and then put it in the pan. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. And I'm gonna put the top on it. I don't see, there it is, okay. Open up the cream cheese, and it says add your cream cheese. Dang. Ooh, you know what would have been good? Some stuffed salmon. That would have been banging. But I'm gonna just do stuffed chicken today. So, come on now. So we're going to do Parmesan cheese. Well, let me do the rest of this Parmesan cheese. So that I can throw this away. Yeah, Parmesan. And then do a little bit of this one. I want it to be like real cheesy, but not cheesy. So let me do some of this mozzarella cheese. And now it says a splash of cream, whipped cream, heavy cream, whipped cream. A splash of this, because I do gotta add the spinach. It said a splash, and I'm doing a lot. So now that the bowl is done with the spinach, the cream cheese, let me show y'all. It looks like this. It's supposed to be soft. Keep mixing it until it's soft. I'm going to seasoning it a little bit, just a tad bit. And your oven is supposed to be on 375. So once your oven is preheated, you could go ahead, stuff your chicken. So you gotta take this chicken, it's already pre-seasoned chicken. Look at this. And we're gonna cut it open on the side. So once you got it all nice and stuffed, take you some Q-tips and just stick it in so that it don't come out. You know, you're trying to keep all the good stuff and flavors up in there. So